Hello, my name is Robert Keller. I am the owner of the company which finishes and renovates buildings. I know that professional construction work requires both the right working technique and best products. For many years, I've been relying on using Ceresit products in my construction and renovation projects. Ceresit portfolio is full of advanced and easy-to-use solutions. Each time I have used Ceresit products, I was very happy with the final result. Now, Ceresit offers even more. That is the professional support for anyone who wants to achieve perfect results. Watch our short video that will help you to work fast and efficiently. Each tiling job starts with the substrate preparation. This step is essential to get the perfect final result. How to prepare the substrate? I will explain in a few steps. First, assess the substrate conditions. Test the residual moisture in the screed with the Calcium-Carbide method. Perform a scratch test to see if the floor has the load-bearing strength and visually check for cracks, efflorescences and contaminations. You need a flat surface. That's why we start with filling in all holes and gaps. After that, leave the floor to dry. The next step is priming. This will strengthen the surface and ensure the optimum adhesion. Make sure that the surface is perfectly leveled. For standard applications, use Ceresit self-smoothing floor leveling compound. But for more demanding areas, this should be Ceresit thick leveling compound. Don't forget to prepare all the necessary tools. You will need a spatula, spreader, spiked roller, brush, leveling board, float pen, smoothing trowel, roller and spirit level. Now, my helpmate is going to show you how to prepare the cement-based floor, step by step. Take a few minutes to watch exactly how to do it. Hole and gap filling. Look for any holes and gaps to be repaired. Start with clearing any dirt and dust. Before filling in the holes with the repair mortar, moisturize the substrate with water using a brush. Mix water with the special additive Ceresit CC81 Strong Bond and then add the repair mortar Ceresit CN83. This slurry will be applied as a contact layer to improve the adhesion between the substrate and the repair mortar. The mass should have a semi-liquid consistency, so apply it with a brush. Then, prepare the mortar. Add CN83 to the required amount of water and fill in the hole using an appropriate trowel. Complete the job by smoothing the surface. For more demanding repairs, we offer specialized products. Here, the elongated hole is first being treated with Tomsit R777 dispersion primer. This special primer binds the residual dust, closes pores and reduces the absorbency of the screed. To fill the hollow, prepare the rapid repair mortar Tomsit RS88. This mortar is able to repair holes up to 10 centimeters deep and hardens quickly. Fill in the gaps by using an appropriate trowel and smoothen the surface. If there are any small cracks or gaps, make sure to repair them as well. Widen the gap using a chisel and a hammer and break away any deteriorating concrete. Then brush away and vacuum all the loose material. Before applying a reparation mortar, moisture the area with water. For concrete reconstruction, we recommend CX20 installation and reparation mortar. This product is excellent to fill cracks up to 50 mm wide, as well as for gaps around the drain inlets. Fill in the gaps using an appropriate trowel. Crack repair. Longer and wider cracks require more attention, including stitching. First, make sure you wear protection glasses and a mask, and then use a hand grinder to follow the crack and cut it deeper. Next, produce crosscuts every 15 to 20 centimeters, then vacuum up all debris. For a powerful filling of the crack, use the epoxy rapid resin Ceresit CN89. This is a two-component product. Mix the resin and hardener together thoroughly for at least 1 minute and pour the mixture into the crack. Remember to wear rubber gloves. Place previously prepared metal bars in the crosscuts. Adjust them and top the gap up with more of the repair resin CN89. Spread it with a trowel, pour over some quartz sand and perform brushing. The concrete stitching is now completed. Floor leveling. Once all repairs are done and dry, you can move on to leveling. Use the powerful floor primer Ceresit CN94 to strengthen the surface and reduce its absorbency. Dilute it with water and spread it with a paintbrush or a roller to prevent wet patches. Now it is time to perform the floor leveling. For leveling unevenness of 1 to 10 mm, we recommend Ceresit CN69 self-leveling compound, which is easy to use and fast setting. Mix the product into water and stir it well until it is completely lump-free. Then pour the mixture onto the floor and spread it evenly with a spreader. Remember to wear spiked shoes. Next, the surface needs to be deaerated. To do so, use a spiked roller and run it all across the surface to bring out any air bubbles and achieve an ultra-smooth surface. Special application: slope installation. In some cases, like walk-in showers, a slope needs to be built so that water will run off in the direction of the floor gully. For this, we recommend Ceresit CN83 Rapid Hardening Repair Mortar. Start by moisturizing the surface with water. Prepare a contact slurry by mixing the special additive CC81 Strong Bond with water and then adding the repair mortar CN83. This mixture is to be applied as a contact layer to improve the adhesion between the substrate and the repair mortar. The mass should have a semi-liquid consistency, so apply it with a brush. To achieve the required slope, make use of leveling profiles. These will help to level the mortar at the correct slope angle. Prepare the mortar. Mix CN83 with water and stir it well with a drill. Put the mortar onto the floor and spread it with an appropriate trowel. Now, take a leveling bar or a straight metal or wooden bar and level the mortar. As a last step, smoothen the surface with a float pen. After drying for approximately 3 hours, your floor is ready to be tiled. It is worth doing the job as if I was doing it for myself.